Okay, so we are standing at the Cardinal Welding property across Taggart Street from Ceram Fab, and we just saw the large blue lake tanks, which are 1 million gallons in capacity, and you can see the scaffolding being constructed around those lake tanks, which will be used to winterize the tanks because we can't have the water freezing because we're going to continue to treat it. The green tanks in the background, just to the right of the big blue lake tanks, is the water treatment system. We'll drive by that later. They're also in the process of winterizing that, again, so the components don't freeze. Now, if you pan across, you can see the farm in the background. That farm was tested not only by EPA and the Phase 1 soil sampling program, but it was also tested by independent testers, and also all the soil on that farm came back clean. Which was it's a big deal to us because it was the closest agricultural site to the derailment itself. Now that we're past Ceram Fab, you can see the large pit, the large hole in the ground that was car scrapping area 4. If you look just past car scrapping area 4 to the north, you can see the railroad tracks, and then north of the railroad tracks is where the 2 burn pits are. That area, that clear area is car scrapping area 3, and then right next to the tracks were the 2 burn pits where the vinyl chloride tankers were ignited. These are the car scrapping areas. The ditches along both the north side and the south side were dug out, and then in the distance, which we'll drive by in a little while, is where the final scraping of the waste piles occurred last week, which were the final loads of hazardous materials.